Okay, so this is ReliabilityIQ. It's software designed for reliability engineers, maintenance planners, tie knots, and aviation engineers. So this software is a training software that we help them to elevate their work and also achieve higher efficiency. So let's get into the interactive demo. This is the main dashboard showing the real-time sensor feedback, such as the engine, the engines, the APU, landing gear, the hydraulics. While this is the illustrative performance analytics graph. So it shows you incidents, the maintenance, the number of incidents, and the number of maintenance steps. So this is a report for report generation. So to generate your maintenance report, all you need to do is simply click on generate maintenance report or generate performance reports. This is the emergency procedures. So all they have to do is to start mode. So it is a virtual reality. It is virtual reality enabled. So they will start the module and they will be able to train their virtual reality. Why? This is for maintenance best practices. So this is a training module for maintenance best practices to help them learn the best practices in the aircraft industry. Why? This is the master quality control, master quality assurance processes. So all they have to do is to start the module. All of this will be linked to the aircrafts. Why? This is the alert system. The alert system is due to simulate and test critical maintenance alerts. So simulate and test critical maintenance alerts. So all they have to do is to simulate the maintenance alert. Then you could give them a guideboard of what is happening. So this is just a brief overview of what is software.